friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Yeston GeForce RTX 4080 Sakura Sugar, the first RTX 4080 GPU with wide PCB. So friend, Yeston introduced the anime inspired GeForce RTX 4080 and friend, this Sakura Sugar series feature brand new cooling design with colorful shroud and backplate. What appears to the first white PCB on RTX 4080 GPU, and when the card looks more or less identical to the Radeon RX 7900 models, but even the Radeon card did not have the white PCB design. Although there are already a number of white RTX 4080 models around, none of them feature this color of the board, and the only exception are Galaxy HOF series, but this company has not yet released RTX 4080 HOF, so the point still stand. And friend, Yeston confirmed that the RTX 4080 Sakura Sugar will have increased fan diameter, 8 copper tube design, optimized PCB layout and new cooling module, and as presumably compared to the RTX 3080 Sakura GPU. And friend, the company has made no promise as to when would this card become available, but we should not eat more than a month for RX 7900 Sakura GPU to appear in US store, so this model should be no exception. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.